I'm always looking at the price of what she get because she get tomatoes in winter.
Look at the price of the tomatoes.
The price is fine. It's 95
cents. 95 cents. I pass the expensive tomato and pick up the one that's on
almost 200.
You want me to slap you with the curry?
Almost 200 Jamaican dollar.
So,
for little tomato.
are you in Jamaica or in France? Why don't me slap you with the curry spoon?
Yeah.
Oh, hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new night here in France. It's night. It's not normally a vlog day today, but we changed things up a little bit. Went to the supermarket today. So of course I have to give you guys a supermarket haul. So that's what we're coming on to do right now. And everybody's hungry. So the supermarket haul is going to be fast, snappy, just to get to the food. The food part is the good part. Yes, sir.
Can you show Mama the...
Show Mama?
No, the face, the nature amongst...
We'll show Faves everything when we get to it, okay? Okay, let's go with the supermarket haul and Sarah socks. Alright, let's go.
Frozen first.
No, we're gonna go whichever bag is in front of us first.
This one is in front of me.
Okay, let's go. Show Faves.
And somebody just switch.
The king of the pack.
Gnocchi.
Gnocchi, you guys know gnocchi? If you know gnocchi, comment down below and tell me what your, if you've ever had gnocchi. If you've never had it before, it's something like dumpling. Basically, if you're a Jamaican, then you would get an idea.
More than pasta.
Yeah, it's like dumpling, but it tastes good with cheese for the French. Look how my pinna hit with.
We have a lot of different recipes. You can have with meat, you can have with cheese, you can have with
I like it with
tomato.
meat with sauce. Sarah, what is this?
And I like it with cheese.
What? What is this? Gnocchi. What is this?
Baguette. Sandwich.
It's baguette.
Somebody fell for bread.
This one is in
Right.
Somebody fell for bread today.
He'll understand why I take this when he see what I made for dinner.
Oh, she made something with sauce. Mushroom.
Sorry, on bread.
I have a little hope at the point that she was about to do mushroom.
But you want me to find you, don't worry. Let's go.
Mama, this one is in front of me.
Oh, this never one, what you got?
Salmon.
Oh.
Salmon. What's this?
Salmon.
Yes.
What's that? Chicken.
Shrimp.
Yogurt for breakfast and for Mama and Papa.
That's it.
That's correct. What do we have here?
Jambon.
Bravo.
Olive oil. Oh, she took a new bottle of olive oil.
It was on sale. That's why I took it.
Oh.
This one.
Okay.
On the queen.
Okay.
Quiche Lorraine.
That's a French specialty. Lorraine is a part of France, like for example, you have Burgundy for the wine, or here is Côte d'Azur as a French Riviera, and Lorraine is a part in the top
How is the person know that?
northeast of France. So this is, it gives the part, the area like you have Brittany,
Okay.
the part give the name to this thing. So this is a specialty from there. And this is, for us, I don't know if it's worldwide known, but this is very famous in France. It's everywhere you can find that. We have some,
Yogurt for Sarah.
Yes.
we have another bottle of oil and so.
Broccoli.
That's not broccoli. Look again.
Haricot vert.
Haricot
We
vert.
have
And Sarah opened the
carrot
yogurt.
râpé. We have that's saltfish.
Guys, then give Sarah
Broccoli. Sarah, what is this?
Most of the time when I get the
Mama,
saltfish,
nobody listen to Sarah. Sarah, what is this? Broccoli.
Yes.
we have saltfish here. So most of the time when she gets saltfish, it's either like she's gonna do like the ackee and saltfish, but I don't know if we have ackee.
Yes, we have ackee, but that's not the reason I got it.
Or we
I got it
have
because my saltfish
fritters.
finished.
We have fritters. The saltfish also is it stays long, it preserves. So
Exactly.
it's good to have it.
That's
in
why you
fridge.
haven't seen me buy it in a while. Sarah, where you going? You gone?
Why, Sarah?
We have rice, and here is another French specialty. I don't know if it's French specialty, but I know it's a lot of French people. But Spanish also eat a lot of, like we call it charcuterie. I don't know how they call it in Spain, but Spanish, like French, they used to eat a lot of. It's like dry ham, how you call that? Like the chorizo, for example, is the type for the American, is similar to the pepperoni. So the Spanish are a lot of
like pepperoni, like dry pepperoni.
a lot of things like this. So
Sarah, no, put
we
it
love
down.
it. This and the olive is a French must. And you go to somebody, this olive.
I
Lucky.
So we have some wrap, we have some cheese for the sandwich.
Come here.
4 nems porc, 8 mini samoussas, 4 au bœuf, 4 au poulet.
Who know what Tyler just said? Come in, that's the assignment for today. Tyler, say that again.
Red food.
4 nems porc, 8 mini samoussas, 4 au bœuf, 4 au poulet.
That's the assignment for today. Translate in the comment section what Tyler just said. Yes, Sarah. You want
So
rice?
there's this function in YouTube that you can put the translation.
Yes, you can.
Is basically like the AA of YouTube that
But never
translates.
translate what I'm saying
I don't
properly.
think so. Well, we have quinoa and almond milk. We have some good things.
We have some good things.
C'est bar pour maman.
Cereal bar for
We have-
mama. Cereal bar for mama.
What is that? It's a seedless grapes. And we have a salad. I mean, this salad is terrible. So you know we're not gonna
No,
eat the
that's
salad
not
like this.
it. Look, before you come like me now.
No, it's with frisé. I don't eat frisé. Iceberg I do. The red one.
Honey,
about,
I give you frizzy last week.
I don't like
it.
frisé. So maybe with a lot of sauce. But I don't like just like
I
this.
gave you last week. I didn't eat.
Frisé is the one I hate.
Tomate.
We have apple and little tomatoes. I'm always looking at the price of what she get because she get tomatoes in winter.
Look at the price of the
The
tomatoes.
price is fine. It's
95
cents.
cents. It's 95 cents. I pass the expensive tomato and pick up the one that's on
Almost
sale.
200.
You want me to slap you with the
Almost
curry
200
spoon?
Jamaican dollar
So,
for little
are
tomato.
you in Jamaica or in France? Why don't we slap you with the curry spoon?
We have 2 packs of bread. So I think sandwich will be at a point. So you know if we plan for sandwich, that means something.
Mandarine.
Sandwich, the chips that definitely showing something.
That we're going on a
We
mission.
have fish.
Banane.
Banana.
We have a cereal bar, and that's another cereal bar. It's called it's mini donuts. That's cereal bar too.
Beef.
Beef.
We have crepe specialty. Tyler is a crepe man.
Crepe king.
Pomme.
Hear him now. Hear him. You're not saying anything.
This I don't even know how I call that. And
It's
I try to just put it like this without nobody to see me. I don't know what I call. Don't ask me. We have some good snack. Some other snack and some waffle. You got waffle? Waffle for Sarah probably.
Waffle for Sarah. Yeah.
And the last thing is compote.
Alright, rock, paper, scissors. Let's go. What we playing for? Who gonna get to sit at the table and eat dinner? The fact that everybody hungry? Who lose get no dinner?
You play too.
Oh yes, come Sarah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, we all get the same one.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
And I kept one. So 2 points for me already. 2 points.
One.
One.
No, 1 point.
One,
Wiki,
zero,
come.
zero.
Stop shouting. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
1 and another point for Papa.
2 points for Papa.
How many you have? 0?
Don't count me. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 point for Tyler. Paper, scissors, shoot. 2 points for Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You realize that the game happened this week the same way it happened last week, but you're in your favor? Yes. Papa! Yes. Where you gone? You know what? No dinner. No dinner for Papa. No dinner for Papa. No dinner for Papa. Papa gonna eat ear puffs. Papa gonna eat ear pie. Anyway, you guys, we are going to have dinner right now.
Except Papa.
That was just a joke. Papa, of course, gonna have dinner. So I cooked before I left, so I'm gonna show you what I made for dinner. So I made rice, I made green beans and corns, and I made some curry coconut chicken. So dinner about. Hi guys, it's the next morning and I'm coming on to end the vlog. Look at these two. Hey, 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 hey. Say hello, Fibs. Wait. You want to change it? Wait, Tyler, wait. I muted for a reason because I need to end the vlog. Say bye bye to Fibs. Sarah, say bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you guys tomorrow. Anyway, guys, I'm just coming on to end today's vlog with these two. Look at them, they just woke up. It's another day, but I need to end the vlog like I said, so I'm coming on to end the vlog right now. Hopefully you guys enjoy a little supermarket haul. I'm happy that Tyler beat Papa in rock paper scissors. Revenge always sweet with babe. I love when Tyler win, but I also love to see his reaction when he lose, because he needs to understand that losing is okay sometimes, right?
And
what does losing teaches you?
To train,
right? And to be better next time, okay?
Yes,
and to keep trying and never give up, right?
Yes, and Mama.
Yes, Dad.
Also, there is what we had to rock paper scissors is just like what had happened last week before. Yes, last week.
Exactly.
Because I had one, Papa beat me. This time he had one, I beat him.
That is true. That's true. Anyway, you guys, so give this video a thumbs up. Look at this one. She wants to touch my computer. She wants to slap up my computer. No. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Get to keep up with the fam bam. No. And we'll see you guys. Say tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tata say tomorrow. Tata say tomorrow. She gonna mash up the little computer.
I'm holding it.
No. Mama says
No.
Mama says
No.
Mama says
No.
exactly. Mama says listen.
Listen.
Mama says
Listen.
listen. Don't do
That.
good job.
I want a baby shark.
You want anyway, you guys, tomorrow. Say tomorrow. Go like this. Go like this, Sarah. Show Faith. This hand. Go. Go like this. Show them this. 2 fingers. Show them. Say peace.
She's showing her tongue.
Peace. Show them the peace sign.
Peace sign.
Go like this. Peace.
She's showing her tongue.
Yeah, but you have to show them the peace. The deuces.
Why the baby shark?
Okay, she want baby shark. We out.